session called Age-Friendly Banking. In this session, we have two passionate tech experts from ANZ who will explore how age-friendly banking is transforming the financial landscape for senior citizens, making banking more accessible and inclusive for all. With over 15 years of experience, Soumyashri GS, she's a cloud engineer from ANZ, specializes in designing and managing cloud solutions throughout her career. She has led numerous successful projects, including build, migration, operation of cloud databases. She's a passionate advocate for cloud technology. She enjoys sharing insights on best practices, emerging trends, and the future of cloud computing. Welcome, Soumyashri. Next, we have Divya Raj Nagaraj. She's a Scrum Master from ANZ, specializes in optimizing cloud infrastructures across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, and they have led numerous projects focused on cost savings and operational efficiency. Certified as an AWS Solutions Architect, Azure Solutions Architect Expert, and Scrum Master, Divya Raj is an advocate for sharing knowledge on cloud technology and emerging trends. Please welcome Divya Raj.
Hello, audible? Hello? Hmm? Hello, it's audible? Now it's audible. Okay, thank you, audience. Thank you, GHCI, for providing this great opportunity. And I'm Soumya, working for Australia New Zealand Bank. Currently, we are working for the banking domain. And we thought this great idea because at senior citizen, what are the problems, challenges they are facing. So it's age-friendly banking. We will walk you through how it will be work and it is beneficial.
Hi. Hi, everyone. I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to GHCI for providing me this incredible opportunity. Myself, Divya. I work for ANC, specialization in services, infrastructure as a services. So myself and my colleague Soumya, we are very much interested in age-friendly banking. So we were exploring this age-friendly banking since 2 years. So we are very much excited to discuss this age-friendly topic here in this conference. Over to Soumya.
Yeah. Do you ever think like how our parents are doing internet banking or how they are coping up with the new technology? Because fast changing technology, it's very difficult for us only to cope up with this technology. So we never think like how our parents are doing the internet banking, how they can handle themselves when it is a critical situation or how they can do it. So when we were thinking, we have listed couple of challenges what they are facing, especially when it comes to 60 plus and 70. So first is a vision problem. So they are unable to read the documents properly. They are unable to view like what exactly they need to do. They will go for in-bank branch and they'll take other help and all. So this is very difficult for them to understand. And also when it comes to hearing problem, they cannot connect the customer care support because they cannot clearly hear the what exactly the customer care support is explaining them. So in that situation, what all the challenges they face that we have listed, and also mobility, because of that they are unable to understand the product what they need to explore in the bank. When it comes to the survey, only the 10% of the elder people are utilizing all the facility, banking, the product what is available in this bank. So but that with the help of the caretaker, not individually. So anytime the scam can happen, the financial exploitation can happen to them, they can be the victim for these financial exploitations. So in that situations, what all the safety measure we should teach them as a, because the generation is changing fast. I can learn anything from my daughter. Similarly, we should teach them elder people. So it's our responsibility by providing the regular updates, what is happening in this trend, like the outside world and all, and also the what is the best authentication way they need to do the banking, like because how to identify the scamming, like what kind of scam should happen, like OTP we should not share. So many awareness is coming, but as a parents, they taught us so much. Now it's our turn to teach them and empower them to use all the digital benefit what we are utilizing. So Divya will explain like the app, how it is, we have explored and integrated with that.
So I have two senior citizens at my home, and they are not very much comfortable using internet. So I was thinking, what is the best solution we can provide to the society that is a senior citizen? Because these days everything is digital. So what we have to do is we have to guide our elderly person, and what they are not very much comfortable, we have to guide them. So we figured it out, and after that we we were able to get the solution, that is what Amazon Lex. So Amazon Lex is a application, I mean, from AWS. So it, what Amazon Lex does is, so it is a combination of chatbot and a voice assistance. So voice assistance is these days, it is very important if we are taking this age-friendly app. So what age-friendly app does is, with this Amazon Lex, it will be like, it will have 4 5 like a good features. So when elderly citizen can use this kind of services, they can access, if we'll take some 2 3 example. If the elderly people or elderly person who is not if they cannot see properly, if they have any kind of a vision problem, they can just use their voice. And this Amazon Lex is very user friendly. It will keep track of all the information which it has been used it earlier. It will give with all the big font assistance, everything will be given to the elderly people. So next features is security and scam, which is absolutely, which is important these days. So security here in this age-friendly app, which is using the Amazon Lex, it is a it has a factor authentication, and also it is very safe. And also if any kind of a suspicious activity or suspicious user try to access the account of elderly people, it will give the immediate notification. With all this kind of a features, why can't we can implement to the implement and give it to this society? That is what we were exploring. So yeah, we are having a discussion with our with ANZ Bank and all, and we have submitted those papers to our company. So yeah, if all goes well, then definitely we will execute this and bring it to you all.
Yeah, AWS has provided a great feature. Actually, it is very, creating an app is just a few clicks. It is very easy. When I'll just give you overview like how our app is integrated is like whenever the customer raise a query via AWS Connect, the chat box will trigger the interface and it will connect to the knowledge base, and S3 bucket we have all the policy is integrated. Since we are working for the bank, the policy regulations is very mandatory. So in the S3 bucket, all the policy documents, everything is integrated, which in turn sync with the vector database. So whenever the query is raised by the customer, it will fetch, embedded model is integrated. So it will trigger the Lambda function. So whichever the Lambda function is applicable for that, it will complete the activity and it will provide the response to the customer. This is how the app will work, and this is the overview, like how we are planning to integrate. And one more thing I want to highlight, why it is very important, because today scam is happening regularly and it is increased more. Because one of the, I was reading one of the article or somewhere like, if we take a loan, we have to pay for 30 years. If the scam person has done one scam, he can come out within 6 years. So because of that, the scam is increased. Why to struggle for 30 years? So they can easily do the scam. So for that, awareness is really required, especially for the village people. We have seen couple of incident like where father is depend on the son or with the caretaker or something. So anytime the victim, he can be the victim. So by seeing all this scenario, we thought this will be the great benefit to the society, and hope each and everyone responsibility to take care of your loved ones, not to get into the scam and to save their hard-earned money.
So we request everyone to guide your parents and elderly persons, whoever need assistance with this internet banking, and let them install this age-friendly bank. So it will make their life easier. So that is how we can achieve with this implementing this age-friendly banking. Thank you.
Thank you. That's what we thought will deliver today. And since we are working for the banking domain, we know the challenges faced by the customers, and regularly we will get messages like my amount got deducted. I don't know where it has gone. I don't know what happened. So that is increased nowadays. So to avoid that, I know bank is taking lot of responsibilities, but it's not it's individual responsibility. As we are growing, we should bring our parents also to learn the technology and utilize the technology to the digital world. I think, thank you. If you have any questions.
When I compare it with what you are proposing, DBS Golden Sparrow, Golden
Uh,
Circle.
See, compared to we will have a different app. Like I can take some example like HDFC or IDB Bank. But here, in this kind of age-friendly app, provides 24/7 support. That is no need to wait for a long waiting hours. The elderly person, they can directly call to the customer services. They can directly get connected with the customer, and the customer service, as I said, Lex will be keep tracking of everything. So that is how this age-friendly app is going to provide the solution.
And also we have a criteria we have set up for this, like whenever they will raise a query, the criteria first we will set up, like because not everyone can connect to this app or take a help. Because the age person need a separate customer care support. The vision, the hearing problem, they may face that hearing problem. So the regular customer care support cannot provide as soon as they get into the dial, or they need to press one or two buttons. So many long queue will be there. Based on the criteria, it will route directly to the customer care support where they are friendly, very friendly.
Okay, so you mean to say you're different, you're designing something different than Golden Circle plan?
Yes, yeah,
Yeah.
we
Huh?
are in the plan for that.
Okay.
So mainly this is for to help them. We will add couple of videos like where they can watch and they can learn. Our motto is to just to make awareness, like everyone responsibility to avoid your people from the scam. So everyone should teach their parents the technical, the digital things.
Okay, thank you.
Hi Soumya and Divya.
Hi.
I am Vasanti. I am using banking apps for ICICI, IDFC. What I observe is you are focusing on the aged people and you are from technology. So do you think in future the app there will be some kind of AI related or something which will change the user interface based on the age? Because I increasingly see that my children want it to be faster.
Yes,
I mean, they
yes,
are able
yes,
to use it very fast,
yes.
and to find the same features, to do the same clicks. I think as we age, we keep taking
Change.
more
Yes,
time.
yes, that is
Uh,
what we were having.
okay,
Them.
so
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Definitely we are going to implement. Yeah.
Everything.
It
Yeah,
is
might
there
take
in
it.
that app. We have already integrated. It
Yeah.
is there in that app. Big font. Everything
Yes.
is like it is in the one click.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks for that.
Actually, even we may require once we become old. So we should learn from our children. Nowadays, we are literally learning from the kids. The kids have they are eager to learn the new things compared to us. Like whenever I'll ask my mother, I will teach you something, she will tell, no, no, I don't want to. But when really it is required, like social cause or something, she got in somewhere got stuck, she don't know how to do the banking. It is like if someone is hospitalized, she want to do internet banking or she want to transfer money, she won't be aware of that. That awareness is required for everyone. Like so even like I want to teach my parents to be independent. Like they should do all digital world, like scanning metro also they can do the internet banking. Means they can take a ticket when they were traveling also, but they will go and stand in the queue and they will take the ticket. So that awareness we should create for them.
Thank you so much. And some of us are already old and we need the big font and all the things you are talking about. So it would be really helpful. So thank you so much for coming and sharing everything with us today. Truly helpful. And I'm sure there are a lot of people watching on video who would have benefited. So I would call upon Geeta to give a token of our appreciation. Okay, please.